Now almost most of the painting is over. It just requires the highlight to be placed. Highlight usually goes on all the projections like the nose tip, nose wing, forehead, nose trunk, cheekbone, lips and chin. However, the values differ on all the highlights. In order to understand values, you should know light theory. That is why I attached a portrait drawing course along with this one, and I highly recommend you finish portrait drawing in order to understand this. When you learn light theory, particularly in monochrome, black and white, it is easy to convert that into color. All of the features, the shape of all the features are taught in the portrait drawing course. So once after you learn that, it will be easy to do freehand portrait painting. Coming back to the values, there are different sets of values, different combination of colors that will lead to a particular mixture. We will be adding a lot of white to those mixtures and then they will be used on the highlights. If you have forgotten the base of drawing values, I suggest you to go back to the lesson where I have taught how to draw values. That is the base, after which what you will have to do is add different quantities of white mixture or white alone to achieve reflection values. If you are a newcomer, this may all sound technical, but for my students who have studied the basic, this should be easy for them. It actually is easy. It is not as difficult as it seems. Everything is taught from the basic, like about portrait and oil painting. So it will be easy for the newcomers too. When you're likely to finish the work, just stop it at 85 to 90% completion. There is no such thing as 100% completion because you could easily overdo and ruin the painting. We don't want that.